Hey all, Will Healy here, and not only is it Dad Joke Friday, but it is also Balluff's birthday, and it's our 100th year anniversary, and so that's really exciting. So in honor of Balluff's 100th year anniversary, you're going to get a birthday joke. So are you ready? What does an action hero say to his enemies on his birthday? Go ahead, cake my day. Oh man, I love puns. Okay, so I've never done an unboxing video with Will Automate, but they sent us this awesome 100 years to celebrate box here, and I think I'm going to investigate and see what's inside here with you. So we'll see if this is something or it's nothing, but let's see what's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Oh, there's a whole bunch of different things in here. Looks like I got a nice cookie here, 100 years to celebrate, so that's kind of fun. And oh, cool, Pint Tumbler. Oh, nice, cool. So it's 100 years of Balluff. Really, really awesome, right? I've been a Balluff for 16 years. So what's that? 16%. I can do some math. So a pretty good time I've been a Balluff of the 100 years. So thanks for that. And what's next? We got excellent. Always fun to have some photo op. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I missed it. Here we go. Yeah, there you go, everybody. Okay, nice. And what else we got in here? We got birthday candles, okay. And, oh, interesting. We've got some postcards. Oh, cool. Okay, so there are postcards in here with recipes for some different cakes. Look at that. Apple tart. Nice. That one's cool. 100 years. Raspberry cake. Nice. Okay. Cheesecake, low carb. That's not for me. I like my carbs. I'm a carb addict, but maybe somebody. And then chocolate cake. I love myself some chocolate cake. So that might be the one that I've got there. But we've got a nice recipe there and some birthday candles, all to celebrate. And a really nice letter from Katrin and Florian and Frank, who are our managing directors worldwide. So that's really nice. I'll have to read that in a minute. And that's really, and then last but not least, I've got this great, let's see, we've got a confetti push popper. I don't know, is this thing going to work? How do I do this? Do not remove cap. Hold lower part of popper upright and push stick up forcefully. Oh, that was a really bad idea. My wife is not going to be happy. So, anyways, happy birthday to Balluff. 100 years of automation. Really, really fun. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?